Hi, I'm Pima.
And I'm Pico.
Ready to play and grow?
Let's go with Pima and Pico.
Okay, we're still in our car seats, but this is where the story begins.
We've been sent deep into the Rainforest rescue zone.
A baby sloth is missing. Her vines broke during the storm and she's stuck in a tree.
She's scared and she's waiting for someone brave to come help. But first, we have to buckle up.
Click in your seatbelt and get ready for adventure.
Did you hear that click? You're in. Welcome to the Rainforest Rescue Team.
The trees are tall, the air is steamy, and the vines are dripping water.
Uh-oh, we've hit our first challenge. A rushing river blocks the path to the baby sloth's tree.
Should we swing across on a vine or tiptoe across a giant fallen log?
Which one do you want? The vine or the log?
Okay, good choice. You're across. You are so steady and brave.
Look, monkeys are warning us about another problem. A big branch is blocking the trail.
We could climb over it or crawl through the little tunnel underneath. Which one do you want? To climb over or crawl through?
You did it! You made it past, just like a real jungle explorer.
Wait, do you hear that tiny sound? It's the baby sloth. She's scared and stuck high in the tree. She thinks she's too little to get down.
But you're here to help. You can say, every helper starts small. Go ahead, tell her. Every helper starts small.
That's it. She's reaching for you now.
You've got her. Let's carry her back to the vine trail. Together.
We made it back. The baby sloth is safe.
And you were brave the whole way.
You're still in your car seat, but now you know. Even little helpers can do big things.
Adventure complete. Rainforest rescue.
Maybe we'll check on the baby sloth again tomorrow.
She says thank you. And she saved a leaf just for you.